Markets around the world are plunging in reaction to U.S. President Donald Trump's recent tariff announcements.
The TSX taking a significant hit in early trading. CTV's Mike Walker has been following the markets closely. He joins us live with the latest. Mike.
Well, Michelle, Nathan, it's been a roller coaster ride on the markets after the opening bell this morning, but markets are plunging for the third straight day. Investors remain rattled by Trump's sweeping tariffs that continue to fuel uncertainty. Now, the plunge started overnight with markets sharply down in Asia and Europe. Wall Street and the Toronto Stock Exchange followed this morning. The TSX was down just over 1% in the first hour of trading. Now, this follows last week's two-day meltdown that saw North American markets plunged to levels not seen since the early days of the pandemic. Meanwhile, the U.S. president has doubled down on his sweeping global tariffs and yesterday expressed no interest in backing down despite the turmoil in the market. Investors we've been speaking with say they've been caught off guard by this, and concern continues to mount about a global recession.
There's a ton of uncertainty, and that's the problem, right? Is that the market hates uncertainty, so that's where we're at right now. We just don't know what's next. It could be a tweet that turns things around. You just don't know, right? It's pretty painful.
The market's telling us that people have been caught off guard with this such a steep decline. You know, we're talking 5% a day over the last 3 days. If you count today, if we see another 5% decline, you're talking 15, 16% decline. It's catching a lot of people off guard.
We see recessions in the rearview mirror, but we already got one data point on jobs last week that showed us it's already happening. When businesses are uncertain, you will see that the first thing they do is freeze hiring, and then the second thing they do is lay off.
Now, some experts are anticipating the Bank of Canada will make another cut to interest rates, and that next decision is expected on April 16th. Reporting live, I'm Mike Walker. Nathan, back to you.